Have you ever questioned what the American dream is all about? It's a beacon of hope that shines across oceans, a promise of a better life that draws millions to the land of the free and the home of the brave. It's a dream of liberty, prosperity, and the pursuit of happiness. It's about opportunities, about being able to create a life of your own choosing, to build a future for yourself and your family. But the path to the American dream isn't always easy. For many, it's a journey filled with challenges, particularly legal hurdles that can seem insurmountable. It's a journey that often involves separation from loved ones, a sacrifice made in the hope of creating a better future for them. Immigration, with its complex laws and regulations, can feel like a labyrinth. Every form, every process, every step can seem overwhelming, especially when all you want is to be reunited with your family. The I-730 Refugee-Asylee Relative Petition, for example, a critical step for many in their journey, can be a daunting prospect to navigate on your own. The journey may seem daunting, but there are ways to navigate through it, especially when it comes to reuniting with your loved ones. One of these legal tools is the I-730 Refugee-Asylee Relative Petition. This petition is a beacon of hope, a pathway for refugees or asylees already residing in the United States to reunite with their family. It allows them to bring their spouses and unmarried children under the age of 21 to join them here, in the land of the free. Let's break down the I-730 process into simple terms. First and foremost, the process begins with filing the form. This form is more than just a piece of paper. It is the first step towards reuniting a family, the first step towards a new life. Once the form has been filed, we move on to the initial domestic processing. This is where the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, reviews your application. They scrutinize every detail, ensuring that everything is in order, so it's crucial to provide complete and accurate information. Next, we have the beneficiary interviews. This is a key part of the process where the relatives you're petitioning for are interviewed. These interviews are conducted in the country where your relatives are currently residing. It's an opportunity for your loved ones to share their stories, to express their hopes and dreams, and to validate their eligibility to join you in the United States. Finally, we come to the Department of State returns. This is where the Department of State, after a thorough review, returns the approved petitions to the USCIS. This step signifies the end of a long journey and the beginning of a new chapter. Now, I know this process may sound complicated, and it can be. But remember, you're not alone in this process. There are resources and professionals ready to guide you every step of the way, ensuring that you navigate these steps successfully and reunite with your family in the pursuit of the American dream. This is where NavasAutomation comes into play. As immigration consultants, they've honed their expertise in guiding individuals and families through the intricate labyrinth of immigration procedures, including the I-730 process. They understand that navigating the complexities of such a process can be stressful and challenging, especially when you're juggling it with the demands of everyday life. What sets NavasAutomation apart is their unwavering commitment to making this journey less daunting for you. They arm you with the right tools and resources, breaking down the process into manageable steps, ensuring that you understand each stage, from initial domestic processing to beneficiary interviews and Department of State returns. But it's not just about guiding you through the paperwork. At NavasAutomation, they're dedicated to helping you realize your American dream. They bring to the table a high success rate, a testament to their expertise and passion. This success is not just in numbers, but in the countless dreams they've helped become reality. And let's not forget the personal touch. Every case is unique, and NavasAutomation understands that. They offer customized solutions tailored to your specific needs and circumstances. They're not just consultants, they're your partners in this journey. With NavasAutomation by your side, your American dream is within reach. Ready to take the first step towards reuniting with your loved ones? Let's get the ball rolling. Head over to our website and schedule a call with us. This initial consultation isn't just a conversation. It's your key to unlocking a clearer understanding of your situation. It's your compass guiding you on the path towards achieving your American dream. The road might seem daunting, but remember, you don't have to walk it alone. Don't let the complexities of immigration stand in the way of your American dream. Reach out to NavasAutomation today.